Hey everybody, here it's Ricky Bobby again. I haven't made a video in a while. I've been tied up with school and football. Thought I'd make a video about my dirt bikes today, so yeah, let's do it. Right here I got my brother's Yamaha TTR90. It'll focus. I guess we can do a little cold start of that. This one's electric start. Turn the kill switch on. So yeah, that's my brother's dirt bike. This is my dirt bike. I got a custom exhaust. All it is a PVC pipe, screws, and some duct tape. We'll go ahead and start that up. So yeah, that's my dirt bike. It's the one I ride around. I don't ride this one much. But yeah, all my little exhaust that makes it so loud is just a PVC pipe with screws right there that goes into the old baffles and bolts. Put some screws in there, duct tape to a 2-inch PVC, some duct tape for cosmetics, and yeah, that's pretty much how that works. And we got some rainy weather today. Yeah, there's my grandpa's old truck, old Chevrolet. My Craftsman mud mower. We got a Massey Ferguson here. This is my dad's tractor. This thing's pretty cool. It's diesel, 3-cylinder. It's 1520 front end loader. He's built his own cab for it. So yeah, this is a little shop update, dirt bike update. Yeah. I'll get a lawnmower update as soon as I can. See you later. It's Ricky Bobby.